topic about politicians should be educated or not. It is said that education is very important in our life, and if education is very important in our life, then why leaders are uneducated? Because the people say education is the power, and if education is the power, then why they are uneducated? And it is also said that education is the best weapon which you can use to change the world. And if education is the best weapon to change the world, then why leaders are uneducated? Because in their own hands, the future of the country, then why they are uneducated? And it is the rule, if you want to become an IAS officer, you have to qualify exam. You have to do hard work. If you want to become an army man, people do hard work to become an army man. Even they salute a person who are uneducated. Why? And if we talk about an IAS officer, despite being an IAS officer, they salute a person who are uneducated. Why? An army man also salute a person who are uneducated. Why? And in fact, politician and leader should be salute a person, an army man and IAS officer, and also a farmer. Because if we eat today, so because of farmer. If there is no farmer, then we will die without food. So, politician and leader should salute a person, and an army man, an IAS officer, and also a farmer. In winter chill, in summer heat, a farmer to work, then the world can eat. So, politician and leader should salute. And we can understand farmers' feeling, but politicians cannot understand because they are uneducated. They are uneducated, that's why they do wrong work. And when they do wrong work, then a person who can speak for their rights, who can stand for their rights, who can write for their rights, then he is killed. Why? Because politicians and leaders are uneducated. And it is said that a life of an uneducated man is as the useless tail of dog, which neither cover its rear end and not protect from the bites of insects. So there should be an exam and education for that person who want to become a leader. Because education is the moment from darkness to light. So be educated.
Hello everyone, it's me Alisa standing before you. Today I am here to share my view about importance of farmers in our life. So pay attention please what I am saying about farmers. Nowadays what is happening with farmers, it is not bad for only farmers, it is harmful for all persons. Farmers cultivate in their field, they do hard work in the sunlight, in the rain, when we get food. Farmers, doctors saving our life, then they are called second god. Even the farmers also a food donor. Then we don't respect farmers. We respect doctors more. Why? Because farmers are poor. A famous man used to say that once in your life you need a doctor, a lawyer, and a preacher. But every day, 3 times a day, you need a doctor. You need a farmer. That's why farmers are very important in our life. If we go to any shop, we can't take anything without money. But if we go to any field of a farmer, then farmer give us many things without money. Such a great our farmers. If our children of a farmer also read and write for job, then who is grow food for us? If farmers only work for themselves, then every person will have to farm.
In front of you, today I will present my topic about happy life. I want to tell you friends, what is a life? What is a life? We all have some ideas about life. Some people, everyone has their own needs of life. Some people, success in life. They positive think in life about life, and say some people become failure in life. Failure in life. There is negative thing about life.
For calling me honorable respected man. Today I am here to speak about. I am Mohammad Kaif from Gurwasapur. Today I am here to speak about smile. The most pleasing 5-letter word is smile. Smile is face expression. To be fair, smile is a gift given by God, and we don't waste God gift given by God gift, and you just keep smile. If you are failure in your life and people say you are failure in your life, then you forget what are think people, and you just keep smile. Then people become silent. See your smile. Your smile is your superpower. If you have pain, feel depression, sadness, angry, the only solution is smile. Smile is make a medicine. If you have tensions, depression, sadness, and you go doctor and you say I have problem, sadness, depression, and doctors say sadness, depression have no medicine, but I tell advise you wake up morning and you will start your day, keep smile, then you see in your problem inside.
Wish you a very nice morning. Definition of water. Water is liquid compound of 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Water is a chemical substance. It is colorless and it has no color for its own. And Water Day is celebrated on 22 March every year in India. And now I will tell you about what is the importance of water. Water is very important part of our life. In other words, we can say that water is more important for survival life on earth, and without water all creature in the world can be dead. And we have always heard that water is life. These lines say that Shastri Nitya Gopal Katare, and a golden tomorrow cannot be imagined without water. And now I want to tell you about why water is important for our life. Water is most important for our life, and there is no accidents of our life without water. And water is more important for survival life on earth like air. And water is all living things like that human beings, birds, plants and animals is equally valuable, and it also dependent upon fresh water for their life. Okay, now I want to tell you about what is the reason for the lack of water in India. Today India is struggling with water problem. This is the biggest reason for using water without reason. And so there is lack of water in India. And
In modern time, every river, ponds, well getting polluted by human activities. So there is lack of water in India, and now I want to tell you about how to conserve and save water. Water is free gift given to us by God, and every citizen has to conserve, has to bring awareness about water conservation, and we should understand that don't using water without reason, and we should awareness among people about education, because educated people understand what is the value of water, and we should try more and more education among people in India, and last point is we should try control more and more population growth, because we can stop this problem. So we have to control population, and now why should we save water? Because every person think that why we should save water, because it is free gift given to us by God, and there is water, then there is tomorrow, and finally I want to say that wastage of water cannot be stopped coming on this stage and giving a speech. So we'll have to start by saving water, and because a journey of thousands of miles with a small steps. Okay, and if we want a safe life, that there is no doubt that we have to start with water. That's all. Thanks for listening me. Have a great day.
Safe water. Water is our body 75% and 60% adult body of water. Safe water. The safe water to drop when and the to regulate and the safe water. Water is recommended to everybody for temperature in our water. Water is a need of water. Why you need of water? Water is for everyday morning and use of water. Water is a industry in the manufacture of water.
Thanks for calling me, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. You are all here to present, and I am Alia Azam before you all to share my thoughts through my speech.